Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I created this Navratri makeup look for newlywed brides, and I have worn this white and yellow sharara. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Firstly, we will start with moisturizing our lips, and I'm using my Vaseline lip balm in the shade Cherry. Then using this Pond Gel moisturizer, and I will hydrate and prep my skin for my base makeup. This is a very important step. Next is using my NYX Honeydew Mia primer. This will give me a nice healthy glow to my face, and as Nikki tutorial says, not to prime is a crime, so we are not forgetting this step. Taking my e.l.f. poreless primer, and I will use this on my enlarged pores. This does a very good job to blur out my pores and gives a smooth finish to my skin. Then I will do my eyebrows with my Faces Canada Ultime Pro brow pencil. This is a very good affordable brow pencil, and I will be outlining my brow hairs with that, and then with the help of the spoolie I will distribute the products evenly. With this darker brown shade I will fill in my sparse area. Then I am taking my Essence Brow Gel, and I will set my brow hairs in place so that it does not move or budge around for the whole day. It's time to carve out my brows so that it looks in shape, and I will use my Milani Pot concealer, and I will outline the brows so that it looks sharp, neat and crisp, and with the help of a blending brush I will blend in the concealer. We will be doing our eye makeup first, and for that I am priming my lids with our Flower Beauty concealer, and also I am bringing it down to my lower lash line. Taking this shade Pow Pow, and I will place it on my inner and outer corner. Basically I am going to do a halo eyes, and then with the shade Nectar I will blend the shade Pow Pow and connect both the ends together, re-intensifying my inner and outer corner with the earlier shade Pow Pow, because during the course of blending we have lost most of the intensity, so I am re-intensifying basically. Now with a clean fluffy blending brush without taking any extra product, I will blend in all the harsh edges. Next, taking my Flower Beauty concealer, and I will do a spotlight halo eyes. So I'm placing it just in between my eyes and blending it out with my fingers. With this Bonfire shade I will place it where I have applied the concealer, and I will be using my fingers so that I get maximum pigment out of it, and then with a brush I will blend in the harsh edges. With my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten Karma, I will place it just above the shade Bonfire. This will re-intensify that shade, and it will also give an extra oomph. For all the products that I'm using in this video, you can find it in my description box, so please check it out. For my foundation, I am using my Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. This is a very matte foundation, and therefore I am working in batches so that it does not look patchy. Also, don't forget to bring the foundation down to your neck so that it looks all cohesive. Next is taking my Flower Beauty concealer, and I will use this as my highlighting concealer. So I'm using this under my eyes, my cupid's bow, chin, bridge of the nose and my forehead, and blending it out with a sponge. With a Rimmel transparent loose powder, I will place it wherever I have highlighted my skin with the concealer, and basically I'm placing it on the sides of my nose, my under eyes and my chin, wherever I have highlighted, so that it does not crease. Next, I am taking this Lakme 9 to 5 pressed powder in the shade Almond, and I will use a big fluffy powder brush to powder my entire face. Today for my contour, I am using this LA Girl face powder, and this is a perfect contour shade for my skin tone. If you don't have a bronzer or contour which is 1 or 2 shades darker or lighter than your skin tone, then you can always go for a pressed powder. It does the job pretty well, and I am going to contour the usual areas of my face. Next, I am taking this Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I will be heavily bronzing my face today because I want that sun-kissed kind of tan look. It's time to now contour my nose, and I am going to use the same LA Girl face powder for that. Taking the same loose powder from Rimmel, and I will be placing it just below where I have contoured, so that it gives me a nice, a sharp, structured and chiseled look, and then I will immediately dust it off with a powder brush. Now taking that e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark, and taking that 2 shade, and I will blush the apples of my cheeks. This will bring back some life to my face. Now it's time to highlight. For that, I'm using my Master Chrome highlight in the shade Molten Gold from Maybelline, and I will be highlighting the usual areas like my cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, a little bit above my eyebrows and on my cheekbones. Then I'm using this Nykaa I Am Black Kajal, and I will be lining my upper and lower waterline. And with this smoke shade, I will smoke out my lower lash line and also blend the kajal together. I want that heavily smoked out lower lash line. Then with the shade Nectar, I will further blow out my lower lash line to give a nice blended and diffused look. Then taking this highlight shade from the same palette, and I will be highlighting my brow bone as well as my inner tear duct area. This eyeshadow palette is multi-purpose. You can easily carry while you're traveling. You can do your eye makeup, face makeup, anything that you like. Next, I am curling my eyelashes and getting it ready for the mascara. For my mascara, I am using my Essence I Love Extreme Volume Mascara and coating my upper and bottom lashes. And I applied some fake lashes from Amazon. Now it's time to line my lips. For that, I'm using my Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liners. This comes in a set of 12. Next, for my lips, I'm using this ColourPop matte liquid lipstick. All the shade names are in the description box, so please check it out. Finally, locking the makeup in place with Essence Makeup Fixing Spray, and with the help of the sponge, I will press in the product so that it stays longer. And here is the final look.